In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unenroll from a Udemy course. If you've taken a course on Udemy and want it out of your main learning view, the quickest and cleanest way to do that is by archiving the course. Udemy uses the archive feature to remove a course from your My Learning dashboard without deleting your progress or permanently revoking access. It's perfect for tidying up your library, pausing a class you don't plan to finish right now, or clearing out completed courses. Start by heading to udemy.com. Once you're signed in, look toward the top of the page for the My Learning option in the navigation. Click My Learning to open your course library. This is where all the courses you've started or added to your account are listed, so it can get busy over time. Archiving helps keep this area focused on what you're actively taking. Find the course you want to remove from view. On the course card, locate the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Options. It's typically in the upper right corner of the course tile. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse over the course tile, or make sure your browser window is wide enough so all icons appear. On some layouts, switching between grid and list views can also make the menu easier to spot. Click the three dots to open the Options menu. From the list that appears, choose Archive. As soon as you select Archive, Udemy moves the course out of your main My Learning area and into your archived section. Nothing is deleted, and your progress is preserved. It's simply hidden from your primary course list so you can focus on what matters most. If you ever change your mind, you can restore the course just as easily. Go to your My Learning page, open the Archived tab, find the course, and unarchive it to bring it back into your active view. This flexibility makes archiving a safe way to tidy your dashboard without losing anything important. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you manage a lot of courses, consider archiving as you complete or pause them so your main list stays streamlined. If you're on mobile, the flow is similar in the Udemy app. Look for the three-dot menu on the course and choose Archive. And remember, archiving is different from refunds or cancellations. It doesn't affect billing or ownership.